Hello friends, welcome to Karak DIY. Today I'm going to show you how I made these two unique and beautiful accent wall mirror ideas. I'll also share with you the links for the supplies I've used for creating these. So stay tuned, let's create a crafty world together. For the first accent mirror decor idea, I'm going to use this foam board. These are very easy to cut and gives a proper finish and also are quite flexible. I'll share the link for the same in the description below. As a first step, we would need 20 pieces of 20 into 1 cm strips. Now, I'm going to make some paper tubes. For rolling these tubes, I'm using a bamboo skewer, also called as kebab skewers. These are generally available in the kitchen organization section in any supermarket. I have cut out both 8 and 6 centimeters of these tubes. Next, to start with, just join the two strips on the top. In the bottom, before joining, we need to insert the 6 centimeter strip and then fix it together. Now again, at 12 cm distance from the top, we need to repeat the previous step but with the 8 cm tube in between. Our first basic pattern is done. We would need 20 of these basic patterns. In the same foam board, I'm going to cut out 16 cm diameter of a circle. For this purpose, we can also use a cardboard. These foam boards, just like cardboard, can be easily cut out with a cutter blade. I'm planning to use a 10 cm diameter mirror in the center, so just marking it out first. If you're interested in knowing where I bought these mirrors, I'll share the link in the description below. I'm going to divide the circle into 20 partitions. Post that, I'm going to stick these small paper tubes on these partitions. As an alternative to these foam boards, we can also use thick foam sheets. I'll share the link for that in the description below. Just painting these borders alone with the silver acrylic paint. This mirror decor can also be recreated in other colors like black or gold. It will really serve as a beautiful accent mirror. For hanging this, I'm going to use a paper clip. You can just use the paper clip and add a cardboard piece and stick it on. The hanging options which I am showing here will surely work well, as these accent mirrors are of very lightweight. Another option is to use this hanger, which are generally available in the hardware stores. Let's do the final fixing now. In the partitions, we need to fix the patterns which we have created earlier. If you want to get regularly notified of our new uploads every week, do subscribe to our channel. Now, I am joining the patterns at 6 cm distance. We can use the length of the paper tubes as our measurement. If you're interested in checking out similar mirror decor ideas or want to decorate your home with unique home decor ideas, you can check our channel. We have a huge collection. Again, I'm joining the patterns and using the paper tube distance as my marker. At the tip of the 6 cm paper tubes, I'm going to fix this small round circular mirrors. I'll share the link for all these in the description below. Don't worry. At the tip of the 8 cm paper tubes, I'm going to fix this petal shaped mirror. Finally, fixing the center mirror. Since there was a small gap between the mirror and the paper tubes, I'm just adding some beads to fill the gap and also to add some more beauty to it. It's done! I'm very happy with the way this wall mirror has turned out. I was planning to make this mirror decor for a longer time but didn't find the appropriate material to do this. Now this foam board has helped me to do this very easily. The final finished creation has turned out to be very sturdy as they are all interconnected. This will look stunning in any part of your house. You can hang it in your living area or your dining or your bedroom. Anywhere it will look very nice. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do share this video with your family and friends. Let's create a crafty world together. For the second idea, I'm going to use this thin packaging cardboard. I have saved one of the patterns from the previous creation to use it as a template. This way, we can easily create a symmetric pattern. I'm carving it out using a cutter plate. I'm adding few more details to it so that we can get a unique design. Using a sharp cutter blade, we can easily carve out these inner parts. Karak DIY has over 100,000 followers in both Facebook and Instagram, so don't forget to follow us. Adding some glue gun design on top of the cardboard base. This would help us to get an embossed finish in a later stage. Share the link for this shiny and sticky kitchen liner in the description. Have used this in this creation and the end result has turned out to be stunning. As the liner has a sticky backing, it was very easy to use it. I'm sharing these steps in detail so that it will be easier to recreate. I made 20 of these patterns. I've created the similar center circle which we have used for the previous creation and going to stick the patterns on the partitions. For hanging this creation, I've again used a paper clip. As I've previously mentioned, look at the embossed finish we are getting in these patterns. That's because of the glue gun art which we have added earlier. So while recreating these decor ideas, make sure to follow the steps exactly. Also, While doing the cutting, use a very sharp blade. This will help us in getting a proper, precise and symmetric finish in our end product. Finally, adding the mirror. It's done! I'm very happy that both the mirror ideas which we have tried today has turned out very beautiful. I am really unable to choose a favorite. Let me know your thoughts. Which is your favorite? I'd love to hear from you all. If you want me to try any specific decor idea, you can comment below or you can email me at garagdiy@gmail.com. Do give me a thumbs up. Let's create a crafty world together.